Hello, I'm Martin Moore. This is one of my trick tutorials. This is a nice little trick with two juggling balls. To start, we're just going to use one. You hold the ball in one hand, you place your hand over your other hand, throw the ball into the air and catch it underneath. Your hand is on top, the ball goes up, you catch it under your other hand. Then change hands. Your hand is above, you throw the ball up, catch it underneath. Above, up, underneath. Got it? Give that a quick practice. Now, when we do that with two balls, it looks like this. The hand on top, up and under, up and under, up and under, up and under. Got it? Hand on top, throws up, catches under. Hand on top, throws up and catches under. And when you do it a little bit faster, with a bit of luck, it'll look like this. This is a nice trick to develop your dexterity, your hand-eye coordination, and it will help you out when you're learning more tricks later on. Have a go, good luck. If you like this video, hit subscribe, make a comment, tell me what you'd like to learn because I'll be posting loads more of these trick tutorials. Maybe I'll see you again. Thanks.